Alright guys, so here's another video. This one's going to be about Sharree. If you guys ever heard of it, but it's a really cool website where you are able to go ahead and share your YouTube videos by embedding them on their page. So what you do is you come over here to where it says new share after you comment on 3 videos, because how their platform works is whenever you comment on 3, you're helping others get engagement, so they're rewarding you by putting your videos on here, just like this. See how all these videos are pinned? It just keeps going on and on and on. It's really cool. Plus, what's awesome about this is, well, I'll go ahead and dive into that after I go ahead and show you this, which is pretty cool. Alright, so go ahead and get this a title. Type guys. I just hate when that happens. And you go ahead and pick a category. So mine's like how to, so I'm gonna go ahead and do education. Yeah, I definitely don't want to do the autoplay views, that's for sure. Checking this will send you directly to your content outside of Sharree. You must upgrade. Yeah, I don't want that. Oh, this is nice. So basically they can help your video be found through Google search engine. So I'm gonna do how to make YouTube thumbnails viral thumbnails. Using Canva. Canva app. Canva app. That should be good. You go ahead and you share it. Take very long. This is what it'll look like. Pretty awesome. You can rate your own video. Pretty sweet. So I'm going to show you some more stuff that you can do with Canva. It's pretty cool. Well, my bad. Sharree. More stuff that you can do with Sharree that's really cool. Not Canva. I just uploaded that video having to do with Canva, so I had in my brain. Anyway, so you can promote your videos. The promoted ones are right there. The free featured channels. So how these work is you just make a video about Sharree, and then you can be right here. Pretty sweet. And you can buy views. It's not too overpriced. It's pretty fair priced actually. I haven't bought any views yet, so keep that in mind. You can also open a discussion, or you can talk to people on here. It's pretty cool. It's like you can help with how-tos, do introductions. You can connect with other gamers. You can find free content. You can find freelancers to make you graphics and thumbnails and music and help you get ideas. It's pretty awesome. I really like this website. It's definitely worth a view. Helps you connect with other people. You can see when they were last online. Anyway, hope this video was helpful. If it was, feel free to come and leave me a like on this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.